Hello my friends and welcome to the Seattle International Airport. We're headed to the lounge to get some work done and then we're going to board our flight to Dubai and we are leaving the country for 6 whole months. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. It's finally here. Alright guys, we're just finishing up in the lounge and we're headed to the gate. There is quite the line and my carry-on was too heavy, so Emirates gave me this lovely tote bag to put all my goodies in. So that's pretty awesome. It's good airline experience so far, and we were at the Club at Sea, which you guys saw in the 360 time lapse, which was an awesome lounge. Alright guys, we're all loaded up. We are in economy, but that is what it is. We're pretty well equipped. We got power, we got entertainment, and I'll be sure we will have time to do a full tour of this seat because we're going to be in there for 14 and a half hours. So we'll check back in a little bit and see what we're getting into. Hello my friends and welcome to Dubai. We just got our bags as you can see, so everything made it. We're gonna grab a taxi and check into our hotel, get some dinner and go. I don't know if we're gonna go out tonight, but we might not. We're not gonna go out tonight, okay? Affirmative action there, affirmative decision. But we're not gonna go out tonight and we're just gonna go to the hotel, sleep and then hit it hard in the morning. Alright, we're all checked in, getting settled into our hotel room, but we're going to spin this right to tomorrow. We're actually going out and about and checking out this pretty awesome city. Alright guys, good morning from Dubai. Welcome to the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. I apologize for the audio. They took my microphone for some reason, but it is what it is. Gotta run with it. So let's check out these views. Alright, that's it for the Burj Khalifa. Now we're headed to our hop on, hop off bus so we can get to see outside of where we're staying at the mall. We've only been to the mall, the building, and then our hotel so far. So we're headed out and doing a little exploring now. We're going to see the Marina and whatever stuff.
Marina, the waterfronts, the gold souk and spice souk.
Oh yeah, we're going to the more traditional markets instead of this. Eating time at the Aquarium. Which is also inside the mall. Alright guys, we're on the bus. We're going no roof over our heads. I don't know if that's a good idea or not, but we're going to give it a shot. We're going to give it a shot. So we have a little earphones, so a little audio tour, and then Dubai sightseeing tours is the one we went with. jumped off the bus. It was getting pretty toasty on there, and we need to switch buses anyways. We're at the Souk, Marina. We're gonna get something to eat and then jump back on. Alright, we're all done with lunch and we're headed out of the Souk. Hopefully that's how you say that. I'm not 100% sure, but it's pretty awesome here. This is definitely old world mixed with new world flair. We got everything in there. Cartier sunglasses to the normal stuff as well. Lots of spices and dates and all the good stuff. So now we just got to find our way out of here and get back on the bus. Alright, she was right. We made it out. Like last night when we got lost in the mall. Alright, we're on to our next stop. We're at the JBR. I don't remember what that stands for. It's like the residential area of the Dubai Marina, which is where we're going to have dinner tonight. So we're leaving, checking this out in the daytime, leaving, and then coming back tonight for dinner and the nighttime atmosphere. But this place is pretty epic, as you guys can see. Everything here is like pristine, brand new, just very nice all around. Everyone's very friendly, haven't had any issues. Pretty awesome city. Not cheap though, definitely not cheap. Bring some money if you're gonna play here, that's for sure. I just got super jealous of these kids on this floatable playground, I guess you would call it. I was going to say amusement park, but
That sounds about right.
there's no roller coasters. Yeah, that was pretty legit. That would have been awesome as a kid, or even right now. Alright guys, we are back. We're done from the buses. We missed our last connection to the gold market, but we're headed back to the hotel. Gonna drop some of this camera gear, and then we're gonna take a taxi out there and check it out, because it's you guys can see, tallest building in the world, by the way. It is sunset, so it should be pretty cool. Go check it out, get some dinner, and then rally back to the hotel. Feeling a little tired, but it feels good to be walking around, just sitting on that bus in the sun. I was starting to nod off, miss my afternoon nap. So alright, gotta recharge and attack, because we only have one more day after this here before we continue on to Cape Town. And we made it to the Gold Souk, and if you can't tell, it is the next day. We have changed. I didn't quite make it out of the hotel room last night. I don't know if it was a late jet lag or if it's because I woke up at 5 and decided to work out, but I crashed pretty hard and didn't make it last night. So we're here this morning. Everything's currently closed. We're gonna find a cafe, and then hopefully everything will open up. We're gonna walk from the Gold Souk to the Spice Souk, and then maybe jump in a boat and head across the river, or creek, as the locals call it, a creek, not a river. Alright guys, we made it back to the mall. We're doing the aquarium. Gotta see this bad boy before we get out of here. Second largest aquarium in the world. I don't think they have whale sharks in here, or if they did, they don't anymore. But we'll find out if they do. But we're gonna go check it out. We're not gonna go diving in it, but we're gonna go underneath it and all around. So
Diving will be next time.
Diving will be next time. We definitely need to come back. I don't think we got quite enough of this place. So maybe another layover sometime. Alright guys, just got off the camel and now it is sunset time. Check this guy out behind me. She's about to go down. We're probably 20 minutes away or so, if that even. So I'm headed back up to where Heather's at the camp, right here. And then it's dinner and a little show after that. Gonna end the Dubai vlog. See you guys in Cape Town.
Cape Town.